Fuck it. I gotta say, it's January 5th today, and I was just checking out some, hopefully you can see this, some Gary Vee there, and I've watched this before. It's been on my, what do you call that on YouTube? The watch later list for a while. But you know, the biggest struggle I'm facing right now is I need to still be working that job. I don't want to really be working right now, but I do it to the best of my abilities. That's what I do. I just want to be focusing on building my blog, getting my name out there, getting more books out there, getting to a point now where I'm having people reach out to me on Twitter for one of my books, you know, because they want to know when the next one's coming out, and you know, it's exciting. You can kind of just see things happening. But you know, like last night I was up until the baby went to sleep around 9 or so, and I was up till midnight just grinding away, getting work done. And I got 2 books that I'm just waiting on right now from this one writer, and it's just frustrating because that is what I need right now. There's no more content I can take in. There's nothing else. Like, obviously I can keep learning, but you can only learn so much, where doing is like the most important thing. And Gary Vee just reminded me about that. And in fact, one of his videos is the whole reason I ended up getting into this whole thing, but I'll go into that another time. But yeah, you know, it's the hustle doesn't stop document. Don't know if you can check that out. Document, don't create. Got my salsa here because obviously I'm in Mexico, but you know, so I'm just gonna kind of show you a little bit more of the inside of what it takes to go from your regular 9 to 5 job to you know, to making a 100% passive income online. So anyways, till next time.